You say TT at all?
No.
You're mad. TT how much? TT has 7, you not catch 80.
I'm hairstyle active man, you know. Wonderful, good, good day peeps, back again, one shibodan, ghost, there see him up on the ground, man, that is it peeps, today we are here again with a new video. So, today, we have, we are going to cook ackee, chicken, rice, yeah man peeps, so that is it. Today I will cook some food and so peeps, as we are say, reach 500 subscribers. Yes, we reach 500 subscriber peeps, and we want to say, thanks for your support, keep watching the videos and stuff, and we really appreciate it, you see me? Yeah man, enough respect. Let me can tell you. So yes peeps, so please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to Adventure World TV. Yeah man, so that is it. So check in, stay tuned, and look what I want. Yes peeps, so see it there. Go so get the ackee them pick out. We never film when we are picking ackee them still. But we are night tree. So go so get the ackee them pick out and see chicken there. Well seasoned up already. So that is it. So stay tuned on some peeps and watch what I go on. Showing everything. That is it.
Yeah man, so people with there we are cook so ackee and so chicken. A chicken back with the want use, but we can't get no chicken back, so we are going to use some chicken, you see me? Yeah, I'm mad with the chicken back in, but we will make it work with the chicken, see me? Yeah, man, so we are just cook ackee and the chicken together like how we are cooking with the saltfish, you see me? Yeah. So that is it. They are pick out some of my ackee them see me. I 2 cup of rum, yeah man, see that shit, I get the chicken and chop up. We are chop up as fine as possible. We not mince them up still, but yeah, we are cut them up little.
Boys, you can go low and get instant and
we are chop up chicken now. Inside tea. Inside now? Inside.
yeah man peeps. So you get them cut. More than expected.
What about a drink out of this?
Them sort out.
Yeah?
Yeah man peeps. Remember say we are going to fry them with the ackee, so we want them small. I want them too big. And that is it.
All of that and ackee or rice or something, the chicken. Cook cheap on a chicken. Cheap on a rice.
You can eat cheap on a rice, TT. Yes, how much on a rice you can eat?
3.
I bet certain you can get you 1 pound.
Oh, you can't eat that. Oh.
You can eat 1 pound of rice.
Oh.
Me. Cheap on a 1 pound.
Cheap on a 1 pound, so 4 pounds you can eat.
Yes. Knife in there. So like and subscribe.
Yeah. Where people
Like and subscribe.
Where people have to do?
Eh?
Where people have to do?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, man, peeps. So,
When you're
stay tuned and watch what go on.
Yeah, man, I get the chicken them fire light up and the chicken them fry.
Mm-hmm.
And watch
Chicken them season
Stay tuned.
the chicken season already.
Oi. Yeah, man, peeps. Let's see it there. Just get up the fire. So, you know where bad this go now. So, we have the chicken here, so. The ackee here, so. Yeah, the thing will get active. The ghost there.
That one just eat what is that?
No, very good. Not the body.
No, I like that one there.
Yo.
Mm.
So what's up, guys?
Chop coffee.
So what's up?
For the boat. Yeah, man, peeps. So that is it. My fire active, you know. You know where it go.
Let me stone it. Ah, watch I
Get
drop
everything
down.
active tonight. Stay tuned. And go and look.
What adventure?
I dropped me on my sweet boat polish.
Yeah, man, so we get on the ackee pot same way. Wait till it boil up, then we throw the ackee in it. Want some salt. And we put some salt in it. Yeah, man, so we get some more fire stick to blaze up the fire. And I want to blaze up, you know. Blaze up. Oh, now look like you're alright.
To have fun.
What got to do? No, me shot. Yeah, me shot. Yeah, man, so I put in some chicken like that. Yeah, man, so yeah, let's into my chicken and make them go and fry. Now, overcook it, I want and fry it.
Guys. Adventure there. On the ground. I go on the right way.
What, well, that, you know, so. The ackee I got, the ackee pot I go and make it boil up before I put the ackee in, you know. And cover it up.
Guys, bring all the chicken to go and fry.
And stay tuned and watch how go on, you know.
Yeah, man, peeps. I see it there. You know, say fire now go on good. So, I don't know. So, we're just there, so peeps. I go and look. See what I go on. So, stay tuned and go and look, peeps. We get the fire real active, get them fry up fast, and then we show you what I go on. Stay tuned.
Right, so people there are getting the ackee in the pot and now see there the bubble. So they put in the ackee them and boil. Titi, you can't stay there, so. Go on back there, so. Go on there, so. 2015. People smoke none normal.
Smoke. See it there? It's a blazer now, peeps. Get the ackee them in it. And that is it. The chicken the same way I fry. So that's how we are dealing with it today. As we say. ackee and chicken with some white rice, you see me? That one, so just stay tuned and look what I go on peeps. That one I go mad. Yeah, man.
Wicked.
Yes, peeps. So just I get out the chicken them there. And get out the chicken and say I have to fry them peeps. Yeah, man. That is it.
I spoon out the whole in that. I don't want this. The Maggi soaking in it, see look. Well seasoned man.
Yeah, man, peeps. The chicken pan the ackee.
See the ackee look there.
Boil.
And not really ready yet still, but I'm so ready, you know. See there. Last set of chicken over here, so I go and take time come in. So by the time the chicken fit on the ackee, we done same time, so we can just put them together and sort out, you know.
And get the rice pan the fire same speed.
True.
Yeah, man, so stay tuned, peeps, and go and watch. You know, yeah, go and cook
Adventure
some food.
TV. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, you know. Yeah.
That is it.
I'm on peeps, so I check pan the ackee there, you know. So if they and cook, we don't want them too soft. Just I like when they're too soft and cush up one time, then go in a plate, you know. So see what I go on there. Chicken they just fry. Last set that then soon done. And the ackee they just look like it done cook now still cause see they fat go straight through it. Easy does it, you know. So yeah, if you cook when it we are just take it off and now strain off it and set him, you know. Yeah.
Ready? We'll take him off.
Set him, you know.
That is it. Peeps, chicken them there last set in the pot. So you know what that mean. Stay tuned and go and watch what I go on, peeps. Once I get everything active. That is it. So check in, man, go so take out the chicken them out of the pot.
Yeah, man, see that. Take out the rest of chicken, you know. Want them brown, but we don't want them burn up. Fry them. Let them burn up, you know. Flavor still left in them. So we fry up the onion now. And then put the ackee in there. Or pepper sugar. Yes, so we fry up some onion and pepper. We'll put some scallion and thyme in there, but now we just fry up this first. Put the ackee in there and make it fry up same time.
Yeah, put in the next ackee.
Yeah, now we are putting the ackee next, but now make it, and I get look. I get in the ackee in the pot now, and go on. Holy ackee now, boy.
Story too much. But so when I want them crush, man. You understand?
We put in the chicken back, I mean chicken in there. Same time. And so we are getting the chicken now.
Yeah, man, peeps. Chicken are going right now. Look like it rain will fall too. Like it go fall. But you know?
Food off it when I fall in, I have to have food. So
Yeah, me. Food up in a belly, man, and rain will fall. Check out when the storm come and yesterday and stack up. Every minute. And that time, every minute you eat you know.
yeah, what?
Every minute, brother, you're hungry. I wonder how I'm to you.
Let's see. I'm going to simmer with the ackee. Come make the chicken too much, you know. Can go and blend in with the ackee a little bit and yeah. Put in with scallion and thyme, you know.
West side I take over. Tough one. I'm on peeps, I see it there. I get this scallion active. And the time to go in it. Put no black pepper in the door.
No, I don't like black pepper.
No black peppers in the food.
Black pepper no good for man. Yeah, so yeah. Get in this and this pot here now. And drop some Maggi in at the same time. I know say nice pot I cook the have a tasty pot. Want look pepper but pepper no. You want one more pepper in there. Put little more Maggi in there. Ketchup. That is it now, people. Just make it go and simmer a little bit. Get the rice active, you know.
That is it, man. Stay tuned.
People see that she will get the rice active up. To put on the fire now. Okay, I don't say the ackee and the chicken done, you know. So the rice time, you know. So yeah,
Man,
wash the rice.
peeps. That is it, you know. Wash your rice right way. Mm. You are crazy. That thing was easy, youth. Look at drama, you know. But I look for me. That is it, man, peeps.
Yeah, man, so we put on the rice and one.
Yeah, man. See it there? Get the water in it. Oil him up. Put him on the fire. Get him seasoned. And watch it cook, you see me? So stay tuned. Check in on the rice. You know when it go in the pot.
Yeah, man. That is it, man. Yeah, man, see there. She boy get the salt and something like that. She boy cook today, you know.
Hey, me salt, you know, no bex.
So Jamaican salt pot, you.
It's a house salt pot.
Many other else people, but Jamaican salt pot. We just put salt in the pot and when we know say right, it put up the pot and salt.
Salt, youth.
Yeah, you know
Hardly
Jamaican.
come up on it.
Alright.
Yeah, go tell me if it up like you taste it.
We not taste pot, we just put salt in there.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Not taste it. Not taste it again, no. Not taste it again. So me I left you, man. So if it's salt, I say I go eat it.
We not put, so we no salt pot, you.
Man,
Alright, so she
peeps,
will
the
get the
piece of
butter in her
butter
pot and now active, you know.
Piece of butter.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Scallion, you know. Get the scallion active and put in her pot, you know, say. Now we eat that.
This piece. Big piece. One piece or a little piece. Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch what I go on One Adventure World TV. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you know, thank you for your support we've been a get. Really appreciate it, you know. That is it. Stay tuned. Get piece of time in the peeps, you know.
So she will
Piece
get
of
the
time.
time in her pot, see.
And then we get the cover. Cover it over. That is it, peeps. Let me stay tuned.
Yeah, man, what that adventure TV, man, you know. So, see the rice I come on there. Butter make it nice too.
That is it, man, peeps. See there. And
Shelly
turn
are
it on the
nice.
fire. Get it active.
Turn on the stove, you know.
And let's check in back, peeps, when everything done and active. So now go on. That is it, man, peeps. You know.
And people see there. Rice ready, you know.
Ready. Yeah, man, peeps. Ready.
After this man, we'll get
See
off,
butter
you know.
looking at it. You like, man.
Shelly are nice, you know.
And so I share, we are going to share right now. We couldn't see what I go on, so stay tuned. And go and look, you know. Yeah, man, peeps. Yes, it goes. I get the food, them share. And so, see it, eh? Food done. Fire. Goes, I get the share up here now. Now we have a few people. Watch out the long belly one day. Miss Long Belly. Yeah, man, peeps. I come with 5 plates, like say him one can eat 5 food. But when you say ghost, I want to go mad.
Wicked.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go and do it, man. Tina, how much plate that?
3, 4.
So much food you want?
1 for Kayla, 1 for Joel, 1 for me.
How about that tell no lie? The whole of them have to.
Joel, Kayla, Winji, I.
My pop say.
Quick, early Joel, give us
I'm not.
a breakfast for dinner.
Yeah.
Yes, I say.
Answer.
Yeah. How for that?
Kayla, I for me.
About 5 plate, 2 phone are coming out with me.
Get you now go and look, man, you know. And I get everything share out and meat and everything in them. We see how it come done. That's me. That is it. You want peeps?
One more.
Okay, and the chicken there. Wow, it's nice. And that is it. That is it, man.
Press a TT at all.
No.
You're mad. Eat how much? Eat your 7, you not catch 80.
Big buck.
It's a self-serve.
And take up my food.
Winji. I'm not on.
Alright, so then let me put that taste. I mean, ratatouille, you know.
I can't have that.
Good man, nice. Not telling lies, you know, when I adventure all them boy. But I have cook for me every day, you know. I just be there in the house and I'll just do right thing, you know. Food right and nice, nah, like.
Eh? I fit 2 of them this. Where Kavi there?
You take up here them no man.
Gavi.
4 plate where you can take them up and
Get
go
2 far and come.
on. You think yes
Spider
man.
and bit?
Winji.
Come near them there.
Give me mine.
Big buck. Take up the 4 plate and go on, man.
I took a 4 plate.
Auntie in the side eat no food.
Take up 2 then.
That a fear and Kira.
And then,
Oi.
and then this and this you can
Me nah make any yam for my
take up
bed.
2 and go on and make them come to this.
Yeah.
Yeah man, peeps. See big buck I go with 2 there.
Yeah.
And the food now go away.
Yeah.
See how you youth. Go on. Man. Take on yo. That is it man. Peeps.
Yeah man, we are crew party.
Mm-hmm. Get everything active, you know. No joke. Just sit and stay and watch how I go on my face. You're good now, good. Yeah, peeps. You know, my hairstyle active, man, you know? Hairstyle active, you know?
I don't think food short of my dog.
Now,
You want one more piece of pepper in there.
tough, man. So they give me pay for the with today. So you know where you go. Spoon of grill. Yeah man, ackee and chicken and white rice peeps. Active in the evening man, just believe.
Yeah man, so people that That is it, man. The food nice. You know, so just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. One Adventure TV, you know. Yeah, man, funny girl. Food
That
bad,
is
man.
it.
Nah, like.